28 days of namastes. Day 28, you did it! Awesome job, you guys. You should be super proud of yourselves. I'm so proud of you for sticking with it this whole month of February. Whew, it was a challenge for me, that's for sure. Just starting on YouTube and learning to post, and then posting every single day has been a really huge learning experience. So I just, I'm so humbled, and I thank you guys for supporting me and supporting yourselves and watching this, and just being on this path to continue to be the best versions of ourselves. That's why we practice. So our last day together. So what I really want, what this whole month has been leading up to, is not that it ends now. This is just the beginning. So what I would love for you to do, what I will encourage you to do, is to now set a 40-day sadhana for yourselves. So a 40-day practice that you will commit to do every single day. Every single day. And that may be two versions. So you may have your version that you can do every single day that's maybe 10 minutes long, and then maybe you have a version that you can do maybe just twice a week that's maybe an hour long. So an example of that is my full practice, my full sadhana would be to wake up, take a moment to just express gratitude for being alive and for the things that I'm so thankful for in my life. Then that would be to get out of bed, do 3 rounds of Mukha Bhastrika, head over to the bathroom and scrape my tongue, go and make some warm water, and then use some of that hot water to put in my neti pot and do my neti once that water has cooled. And then to do a complete practice. So I work with the same practice as well for 40 days in a row. I'm at the tail end of the practice I'm working at now, and that's a asana, a pranayama meditation. So the one that we just did yesterday, I encourage you to do that, to use that as your practice, and just really embody it, and so that you can call upon that feeling you get in meditation at any point, especially when life is a little bit more challenging and you need that sense of serenity within. And then I'll go about my day, just doing my best to stay present, to stay mindful, to meet every moment and respond from a place of love and patience. And then at night to do some of the oil massage on the feet, and once I get into bed, a little bit of belly breathing. So that would be, when I have the time to do all of that. And if I had not as much time, maybe I only had 5 minutes, and I'm just going to wake up, take a moment to have some gratitude, Mukha Bhastrika, scrape my tongue, and drink my warm water. Maybe that's all. And then at each meal to take some time to be present and to eat with some more conscious awareness. If I have a little bit more time, maybe I have 15 minutes in the morning, it would be all those things plus like 3 asanas, just to get some of the channels open in the body, get the body awake and moving. And then, 5 minutes of pranayama, 5 minutes of meditation. So I want you to take the time right now. Do it right now. Write down your practice, what you will commit to, what that looks like when you have whatever time that you set for yourselves. Yesterday we talked about what would be realistic for you. So ideally we want this to be something that you can obtain, something that's not so far out of the reach. And it's just 40 days. And if you're doing great and you feel that confidence and that sense of self-worth continuing to build and grow, then maybe the next 40 days you're able to do a little bit more. So just take it one step at a time. This is a journey for the rest of our lives. So no need to rush or hurry the process of self-realization and enlightenment. So yeah, go ahead and write down those things for you, your little short version of however long that is and your longer version. And just commit to do something every single day. that's where the magic happens, and that's where you really start to feel this transformation, and you'll see it. You'll see it in the way that your relationships are becoming more deep and compassionate with the people that you love, and also with strangers on the street. And you'll feel it in the way that you show up to work, to your family, to your pets, to yourselves. So just continue to practice. That's all I want for you to take away from this. That's the big one, is to make this habitual, and it's just this part of how we live. If you have questions, let me know. I'm here for you guys. I would love to also hear about what else you would like to learn, what other videos that I can create for you guys. So from going forward, I'll be posting twice a week, I think on Mondays and Wednesdays. So I'm not going anywhere, but just going to slow down the everyday posting for a little while. So yeah, I'd love to hear from you guys. I want to know how I can serve you better, and I can't do that unless you reach out to me. Other than that, just continue shining brightly, yogis. So much love for you. Namaste.